Bruh. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Welcome to my first YouTube video. My cube collection. I'm gonna center this real quick. Today I will be showing my cube collection as my first video on the channel Mac Nash Cuber. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Freaking pen ran out of ink. And yeah. So I'll start off with 2x2s, 3x3s, 4x4s, etc., and then end off with non-WCA. So let's go. Off with all my 2x2s, I have this McDonald's Rubik's 2x2 that turns badly. My first 2x2, the MF2, which has a missing piece and it's broken, but it still kind of works. I have 3 2.0 2x2s, Rubik's brand. They're very bad. This one I kind of just broke for some reason. This was my first one, which kind of sucks. My first 2x2 speed cube, I have the MF2S, turns alright. I have 2 MGC 2x2s, one that's stickered, one that's not. And I have the MGC Elite, which is not great, because as you can see, this corner is kind of broken and it kind of sucks. I have the Diane Tangen V1, and my current main, the Diane Tangen V2. So that's 2x2. For my mini 3x3s, I have a really bad Halloween sticker 3x3. This is garbage. This is a dollar store 3x3. That's very small. I have a Rubik's keychain, which I'm not going to turn because this core part is broken, and if I turn it, it explodes. And I have a world's smallest 3x3. That is not the world's smallest 3x3. So yeah, basically these are all just garbage. For all the regular sized dollar store cubes, I have one with smiley faces that can't really turn. I have a Chuck E. Cheese dollar store cube. And 2 shiny ones, one that has chess and one that has stars. That actually doesn't turn so bad for its brand. Okay, I might have lied, it's trash. Ah! Here are all my Rubik's 3x3s, and plus some miscellaneous ones. I should probably get them in frame first. So, let's start off with I have like 4 of these 2x2, not 2x2s. Sorry, Rubik's 2.0 3x3s. I got these all as gifts. And 3 Rubik's V1s. And this one actually has Vaseline in it. And then this is my first Rubik's Cube. I got it a gift from Walmart for my birthday. Turns alright, but not so bad for a first speed cube. And then these are all the miscellaneous ones. This is the Crystal Rubik's brand. This is the Rubik's Phantom. This is heat sensitive. And then this is a scrambled Rubik's Impossible that's very loud. Here are all of my Speed Cube 3x3s, the actual ones. This is a Chi Warrior W, which I got at my second competition. I haven't really put any stickers on it yet. This is a Mini Volk. The Volk Elite. Chi MS 3x3. This is a knockoff. It's called Roxenda, but it's actually just a Chi Thunderclap. Another Chi Warrior W. That's actually, yeah, I don't have to explain it, but this is the Chi Ming Plus 3x3, 9 centimeters. My only Shangshao 3x3, the Shangshao Mr. MV2. My only Yushin 3x3, the Yushin LaMagic. really weird shaded GAN R. And the GAN 356X. My only MGC 3x3, the MGC Elite. The cubing, no, not the cubing cluster. This is the Pro Shop Meilong M. MF3RS3 M2020. And MF3RS3 M2021. Which I'm pretty sure is, yeah, it's Pro Shop. My one-handed main, the, I forgot what Diane Guhong version 3. This is the Diane Guhong version 3, the current one-handed main. And my main, the RS3M Super, is Angstrom. And I also have this, which is basically Oscar's treasure chest. So yeah, those are all my 3x3s. All my 4x4s. My first 4x4, the Yusu version 2, YJ Yusu version 2, which I'm missing a centerpiece. Cubing Classroom 4x4. My only stickered 4x4, the YJ Guansu. I forget what this is called. The Mini Wuchwei M. My backup main, the Meilong 4x4. And my 4x4 main, the MGC, the YJ MGC Celeritas 4x4. It's very nice. So for 5x5 and up, my first 5x5, the Cubing Classroom 5x5 that turns terrible. And my current main, the MGC 5x5. My only 6x6, the MGC 6x6. And my only 7x7, the YJ Yufu V2M. So that's 5x5 and up. Okay, so the rest of my WCA event puzzles. Megaminx, I have my first Megaminx, the X-Man Galaxy V2M. My backup main, the Yuhu V2M, YJ V2M. And my current main, the MGC Megaminx, which is very, very nice. Pyramix, I have a knockoff Pyramix from the dollar store. I don't even know the brand name, but my dog chewed up one of the stickers and I really don't care. And my main, thank gosh, the X-Men Bell V1. My only Scube, the Moyu Aoyan. And my only square one, the Yushin Little Magic square one. So that's WCA. Non-WCA with all of my 2x2 shape mods. I have a, I think, unsolved Rubik's Orbit. You guys tell me. I have no idea how to solve this. It runs terribly, by the way. This isn't really a 2x2 shape mod, but it's like one of these take apart, put back together puzzles. Not sure what it's called, but it looks pretty cool. And last but not least, the YJ Cat. On to 3x3 shape mods, I have the Mofeng Jiaoshi Pandora Cube, a Chi-Yi Master Morphix. I don't even know what this is called, but it's a 3x3. Rubik's Void Cube. Nice. I think YJ, it's the windmill cube. Shangshao mirror blocks, which is broken. The Kung Fu Dot Cube. which you can tick off the tiles. And the I'm not supposed to call it a Lego cube, said by JPerm, but I forgot the brand. Okay, on to the rest of the non-WCA puzzles. I have the Kung Fu Gear Cube, Original X Cube, Meilong Kibiminx / Killaminx. I don't even know what this is, but it's like a little sponge in the middle, and you can like push these spheres around. It's pretty cool. Two 2x2x3s. One of them is Fanshin Stupid one. I don't even know what it's called. The Caterpillar 2x2x3. That's actually its name. And that's the Chi 2x2x3. Moyu Ready Cube. Pretty sure it's Moyu. The Yeet Ball. Z 1x2x2. Or, no. Yeah, 1x2x2. Original Rubik's, I can't remember the name, but it's a 1x3x3. Also, I don't remember the name, but it's like the corner and the center goes with it, and it's really easy, and it's past it. I don't know. I just don't know at this point. And last but not least, the crap. 1x1x2. For all of the cube abuse that you've seen today, it's not my fault. Last but not least, my favorite puzzle in my collection, the Yushin Little Magic 9x9. It took me an hour and 20 minutes to solve. What is a cube collection without all your freaking screwdrivers? That's my 2024 cube collection. I counted all of the cubes, and it turns out I have about 94 Rubik's cubes. And I hope to collect more in the future. But for now, that's it. See ya.